So we've got the methods, we've got processes that tell us how to do our projects. Yet 83% of our projects overrun dramatically. 83% of our projects cost far more than we planned. 83% of our projects take longer than we wanted them to, and they deliver far, far less than we originally planned to. My projects were no different. Even with 20 years experience in being involved with projects, knowing the methodologies, understanding processes, mine were right up there. My projects were failing at that kind of rate. We spent some time a year ago asking about 20 companies what it was that made their projects fail. It was interesting what they told us, that the projects don't fail because of documentation. Their projects do not fail because of complex and beautiful methodologies. Their projects do not fail because of processes. They fail because of people, because of how people behave when they're on projects. They fail because of how people communicate or don't. And they fail because of the relationships that people build up or don't build up when they're working in a project team. So clearly, the way we're working is changing, whether we like it or not. We're definitely moving into this post-industrial stage of quicker, leaner, more flexible working. We need to unravel this mess that is project management and methodologies that are stuck in the industrial stage. I believe that we cannot sustain this 83% failure rate, given this move into a different way of working. I know there's another way that we can go about it. All the projects I've worked on and talked to people about, it's clear that there are three things that make a project work. It's about, as Stephen Covey said, beginning with the end in mind. It's also about not being a project manager, moving to being a project leader, taking care of the people on the team, giving direction, providing them with the opportunity to communicate their perspectives and the issues that they have, and making sure that your goals are all the same, they're aligned together. And it's also about keeping it simple and flexible. And this is where NLP tools, I believe, have a big potential benefit to give us.